Aquaphilic ointment is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains substances that soften and moisturize the skin, decrease itching and flaking, and protect the skin against irritation from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Aquaphilic ointment works by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. It contains common emollients such as petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone, as well as humectants like glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, which draw water into the outer layer of skin. Aquaphilic ointment also contains ingredients that soften the top layer of skin cells and help the dead skin cells fall off, leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Make sure to use aquaphilic ointment as directed on the product package. Some products may need to be shaken well before use, so be sure to check the label. You can apply this ointment to the affected areas of your skin as needed, depending on your skin condition. For dry hands, you may need to use it every time you wash your hands throughout the day. If you're using this ointment for diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before applying the product. And if you're using it for radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if it can be applied before therapy. Remember to apply the ointment only to the skin and avoid sensitive areas, such as your eyes, mouth, nose, and vaginal/groin area, unless directed otherwise by the label or your doctor. Be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details about where to apply the product. To get the most benefit, use this ointment regularly, especially after bathing or showering while your skin is still damp. If your skin is very dry, your doctor may suggest soaking the area before using the ointment. And if your condition persists or worsens, seek medical help immediately. When using aquaphilic ointment, it is important to be aware of potential side effects. You may experience burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical advice. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. It is important to notify your doctor if you experience any unusual changes in the skin, such as excessive wetness leading to the skin turning white, soft, or soggy, as this may be a sign of a skin infection. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it is important to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using aquaphilic ointment, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This ointment may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. If you have skin cuts, infections, or sores, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Some ingredients in aquaphilic ointment, such as preservatives or fragrance, may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to check the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when in the sun. Your doctor or pharmacist may recommend limiting your time in the sun, avoiding tanning booths and sun lamps, and using sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters/redness, contact your doctor immediately. If you have acne-prone skin, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to ensure the product will not clog your pores. Some products may also stain or discolor clothing, so it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, talk to your doctor before using aquaphilic ointment. It is also important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding, especially if you are applying this ointment to the breast area, as it is unclear whether the product passes into breast milk. When using aquaphilic ointment, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. If this ointment is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency medical help. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, reach out to a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's essential to seek help right away in these situations. When it comes to preventing dry skin, it's important to use lukewarm water when bathing and to limit the frequency and duration of baths or showers. Using a humidifier in dry air can also help. Aquaphilic ointment is a type of emollient product that can help with dry skin. It comes in various forms such as oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to find the right product for your specific needs. Aquaphilic ointment can be beneficial in moisturizing and soothing dry skin. It can be used daily as needed, and it's best to apply it after bathing or showering. If you forget to use aquaphilic ointment on your regular schedule, you can use it as soon as you remember. But do not use more product or use it more often than directed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage instructions on the packaging, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames, and do not puncture or burn the canister due to the pressure inside. Do not dispose of medications in the toilet or drain unless instructed. Properly discard the product when it expires or is no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.